We have officially launched an affiliate program, ladies and gentlemen. If you would like it, we are paying 50% commission as well as 50% recurring commission. Anyone you bring in, you get a 50% cut, and then you get 50% of the monthly subscriptions. If you guys would like it, my email will be in the bio. I'll make your own affiliate link and get into it. What is going on, traders? You guys crushed it today. Today was a very, very slow day, guys. I only got one trade. Dimitri ended up getting the high of the day today. I'm going to be going over the trades we ended up taking, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into it. So, first things first, the trade that I ended up taking. We had the previous close at we had a gap, at 513.07. This is a gap that I told you about in yesterday's video. This was the make or break level. As soon as we shot up to this level, guys, we opened above it. We came back down. All I did is buy calls. Why? Because we are using the gap as a support. So I took my chances buying the dip right here at 512.86. I had another key level too. This is a previous close. We broke down, bought the calls, guys, sold the move. That was it. I made my daily goal from just that candle. The next trade the Discord ended up taking, guys, is Dimitri. He was preaching 515. He wants to do puts at 515. We broke out of here. He alerted the puts, guys. We had another big bar. He doubled down near the highs of the day today and made 5 figures on this move. I am mad I did not follow him. I wish I did, but he absolutely crushed it, guys. The Discord, the moderators. We have a powerhouse giving plays out all day on live stream trading, guys. I start in the morning with Dimitri. After that, Dimitri and Gundy are live until market close. We have 2 professional traders, 2 real traders that are walking through and giving out plays as we go, giving out technical analysis. It's freaking awesome, guys. And Gundy and Dimitri ended up killing it today. Look at the 515 level Dimitri ended up giving, guys. Right? Look at the first reaction. You see how it was resistance. We blew past it. This is exactly why he doubled down at the puts, and look what this thing ended up doing. Ended up making a new low of day. And this just comes from key levels. You need to be marking down major touch points of SPY, major rejections, and major supports. That's all it is. That's what we're doing. We trade options, but a lot of the people in the Discord are trading futures. That's why we brought in a professional futures trader, Gundy, and he's there to show the ropes of how to pass and fund Apex accounts. So that is it for what we did today. Very slow day, guys. Not too much to talk about. Let's look at the game plan for tomorrow. So what are we looking at? I'm going to tell you right now. The low of yesterday, right? 515, the previous resistance. We broke through it. We didn't retest it. We retested it today. 515 is a major resistance right now. We had CPI data come out. CPI data inflation came in extremely hot, guys. It came in more than expected, which is bearish. But since we had a 10-point drop in the pre-market, you need to be careful with puts. Very, very careful. So how do we combat that? How do we trade the trend, but also be very safe about it? Easy. 515. 515 is going to be a massive key level for tomorrow. Big, 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 big level because it was a magnet all day today. Every time we broke above it, we came back down to it. Every time we broke through it, we came back up to it. So 515 is a massive level, as well as 514. 514 is the exact same thing about 515. This dollar range is going to be very important moving forward. Let's look to the low side. The low side, we have a massive key level, 511.81. This is the pre-market floor, guys. This is a level you need to be paying very close attention to, 511.81. After that, we have our buy zone. It's at 510 to 510.50, right? Now let's look to the upside potential. What do we got? First level of resistance that we're going to be watching is 516.89 to 517.12. This little zone right here, it even could stretch to 517.77. That's what I'm looking at. But the way I make my key levels, guys, I'm watching the daily time frame. SPY repeats history. History is always repeated with SPY. So you could find patterns in the higher time frames. A 30-minute time frame is what I teach finding patterns on the 30-minute time frame, as well as the daily 4-hour. It doesn't matter, right? Right now, what do I see? I see that we broke through my EMA lines. We came up, retested. Where's the next EMA line? To the downside potential. If we reject 510, we are going to go down to 507.52. That is inevitable. After 507, 82, guys, our next level is 486. Gundy's been saying for the last week, he feels like SPY's going to go to the 500s. I'm very, extremely bearish. Me and Dimitri, myself, and Options Doctor, guys, we are extremely bearish on SPY, especially at these levels. But you need confirmation to be bearish, and you need confirmation to be bullish. So that is pretty much it, guys. If any of these key levels change, if we end up gapping up or gapping down, I will go live on YouTube. Yesterday worked perfectly, guys. The key levels I gave, the buy zones I gave, they were dead on. Dead on of the last night's video. If you haven't watched it, check it out, guys. Today's video, like I said, upside potential 517 to 518, downside potential 510 to 510.50. If we reject 510, it will be a waterfall to below 500. I'm telling you this right now. Be very, very careful with trading futures. Options, much safer, guys. If this is another thing I want to talk about. There's a lot of people trading futures. Futures are very volatile. Apex is meant for you to fail. If you want to have a successful career in day trading, you need to move over to options. Funded accounts and prop firms may not be here for that long. You need to put money aside in an options account. This is what Dimitri and I do. We both made over 7 figures in the last year, each of us trading, and we have not been able to pull out through Apex once. Take that in. I made 7 figures last year, and I have not been able to pull out of Apex once. Maybe that's just my trading style. Maybe that's just Dimitri's trading style. You have to be so freaking disciplined to trade futures, guys. Remember, it's meant for you to fail. If you have a couple grand, put it in an options account. Stop buying 5, 10, 15, 20 Apex accounts, guys. It is meant for you to lose. It's meant for you to fail. Please understand this. But if you do like futures, we have a partner, guys. Gundy, he is a multi-6-figure trader yearly with Apex. He can do it. Myself and Dimitri personally, Options Doctor, we are not able to do it, right? Because we've been raised with options. We've taught options. Futures is a different animal, a different beast. Be very, very careful with prop firms. Put money aside for options. If you would like to learn how to day trade options with real money, guys, around $2,500 to $5,000, we will teach you how to be profitable. You probably spent more than that on Apex. Invest in yourself, invest in the right education, and invest how to feed yourself for the rest of your life. Apex is not the answer. It is options trading, guys, in real brokerages. That is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching these videos. If you would like to learn how to snipe and how to day trade like real 7-figure traders that don't do out the money YOLO trades, don't do out the money same days and doing same day contracts, guys, we do this stuff for real. If you would like to learn, it's very cheap, guys. It's a cup of coffee a day. The link is in the bio. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care.